This is Teleias World Black Girl Travel Vlog, episode Bali 2022. We finally made it to Bali. It is beautiful outside. I had a super long flight. I flew from DC to Texas to Tokyo to Jakarta and then to Denpasar. Long flight, but I am finally here in Bali and I'm enjoying the ride to my villa. Absolutely love them. They are so beautiful. This is the Poedja Villa. This is gorgeous. One thing Bali is known for is having extremely beautiful villas. This place is private, it's safe, it's locked, and it's clean. So, and very quiet. So I would recommend this to anyone, definitely 5 stars. Absolutely cute and adorable. My hut is. I didn't think that I would like staying in a hut, but oh my goodness. How cute is my hut? And it's clean. Since it's so quiet and private and safe, I decided to go out and take a dip in the pool at night. I just love this walkway. It's so peaceful, and I'm walking from my villa to the exit so I can go to the Bali Safari and Marine Park. So here I'm at the Bali Safari and Marine Park. I'm waiting for the show to start. They are going to do a Balinese show about the safety of tigers and how poachers have killed them over the years and how it's very important to protect our animals and our tigers. And I'm just waiting for the show.
Tigers' habitat is generally in lush tropical jungle, but they have also adapted to a variety of environments, including white river. Harimau hidup di hutan rimba, mampu beradaptasi dengan air, bahkan terbiasa dengan sungai-sungai besar. Tigers are adept swimmers. Unlike almost all other big cats, they enjoy bathing and often play in the water. Pada para pengunjung demi keselamatan kiper.
And it was a really good show. The tiger was absolutely adorable. And they gave a really good performance. This is where they show how people have, poached and kidnapped tigers, killed them and things like that. And now there aren't very many Balinese tigers anymore. And stop killing our tigers, protect our tigers. And I don't mean just in Bali, I mean all over the world. Yes, this is my ride. I'm taking an elephant ride with a guide right now, and I'm about to enjoy this ride and take some photos to give to my mom. Back in my room, I ordered some food using Gojek. I didn't have any cash, so she offered to give me a ride to the ATM so I could pay her for my food. And this was also fun because it was my first scooter ride in Bali since I've been here. One thing I love, and will never stop loving is how inexpensive Bali is. Everything is so cheap, especially the food. If you're gonna come here, you need to work out because like this meal was about $8. Lobster dinner. I'm just up in my room chilling, watching TV, vlogging, and I don't know why because I need to get up bright and early, but I watched one of my favorite movies before I went to bed. On this day, I went to Tanjung Benoa Beach. I went parasailing, jet skiing, underwater sea walking, and now I'm on a boat ride to Turtle Beach to swim with the turtles and to see different animals and feed toucans, live my best life. White turtle. do. The next day I woke up, and after the beach I wanted to go see the Kikak fire dance at the Uluwatu Monkey Temple. It's lovely views from there, and a lot of people. People in Bali always want to take pictures with me and touch my hair, but that's okay. And the temple was packed. Everybody was there to see this beautiful fire dance, and so am I. I didn't stay for the entire show because I figured since everybody was there, then I might go ahead and explore the temple while it's not so packed and overrun with everyone, and take some pictures and see some sights. It's my last day at the Poedja Villa in Jimbaran, and I decided to swim at night and enjoy the Bali sky before I leave in the morning and head to my next villa and destination. This is the Temuku Villa in Kecamatan, Ubud, Bali. And it's just the best villa I've ever stayed in. It's clean, the staff is wonderful. It is a villa with a private pool, gazebo, and it's overlooking a river and the jungle. This is my room, TV, air conditioning. Heading over this way, it has a really large closet, which I love, and the beautiful outdoor bathroom. I didn't mind the lizards or anything like that. I love lizards. I don't mind at all. I'm just so happy I got to see this stunning place. I had to stop crying and being emotional because it was so beautiful, and I just felt so blessed and grateful that God would allow me to be here because I absolutely deserve it. And I'm having a wonderful 2 weeks in Bali, and I will always go back. Bali is one of my favorite places to visit, and I'm definitely going back again. Okay, no more crying. It's time to party. I'm in Bali. I'm sorry? 2%? Just one. Here is where they are serving me my floating breakfast, and I just had an omelet and some fruit and toast. Thank you. I found a local tattoo shop where I can get rid of my ex's name. So here we go. I just can't get enough of this view, but it's a new day, so we are on the bus and headed over to Limpuyang Temple, the gates of heaven, where there are volcano views, clouds, and lots of scenic places to take beautiful pictures. Didn't I tell you about these views? The rice fields in Bali are absolutely lush and beautiful, and this is how it looked on my way to my next destination. Here I am at the Teleias Holy Water Garden to feed the koi fish and look around and pray and just thank God for everything. And also I stopped at a coffee plantation. They have different coffee. They're all so delicious. My least favorite was ginger, and I think my favorite was a sweet one. I can't remember what it was called. It wouldn't be a Bali trip without doing the swing over the rice field. Today, another day in Bali, and this day I am headed over to the Mason's Elephant Sanctuary to do what I came here to do, and that is ride elephants and take my beautiful photos. The elephant sanctuary, on my way to my next destination, I decided to stop here and just look at what souvenirs they have, and their artistry and everything is just gorgeous. I also stopped at this cute little restaurant to do an outfit change and eat because I am starving, and this shrimp was delicious. In the same day, after riding an elephant, I can't get enough of the animals here, so I am now in Monkey Forest. Here we go. I met another solo traveler, a brown-skinned girl just like me. This is Leah. Hi. I am Leia, and I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you. Me too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And I look forward to seeing you around the world.
Absolutely. Right on.
So from there, you know where I had to go before I leave Bali. Sorry TLC, but I am out chasing waterfalls and it is divine. Okay, did I plan this out or did I plan this out? This trip is beautiful, but the walking, I've done so much walking and it is hot. It is a great thing that Bali has waterfalls everywhere because the weather is torture on you. I mean, but sometimes it does rain and it's beautiful when it rains. It's the perfect temperature when it's raining. I went here and I hiked to certain photo spots that everybody goes to get beautiful pictures, and I love my pictures, and I enjoyed the walk, and I enjoyed getting in the waterfalls after taking my photos. Ooh.
Climb up there.
Yeah.
On a left it.
No more swings for me. Yes. Look at that. It is beautiful. If you're looking for me, you could catch me in the jungle swimming in a lake underneath a waterfall. Okay, that's where you can find me.
Should I get some pictures?
Sadly, today is my last day in Bali. It has been 2 weeks. I know this video seems like it's been shorter, but no, I have been in Bali for 2 weeks. And so I'm going to enjoy the day in the rice fields that I love so much, meeting people, and also making videos, getting chased around by stray dogs, because there are a lot of stray dogs, but they really don't bother you unless you're bothering them. So here we go. Now, this was an abandoned temple, and it was so spooky. It was kind of scary. There's nobody there but me, but It went well with my dress. To the airport we go. It's one of those bittersweet moments. Bali was beautiful. It was calm. It was healing. It was peaceful. It was emotional, but it was worth every penny and worth every second. I love Bali. I love the people, the animals, the vibe, and this is one place that I just wouldn't hesitate to come back to. I had an amazing time. Bali, see you again someday. Home sweet home. I'm back in DC. We have made it back safely, thank God. See you guys on the next episode. Peace.